As business people and entrepreneurs, I think most of us are striving for success, whatever success means. And I think success does mean different things to different people. One of the things that I think it means is achieving financial independence. Reaching that point in life when you're working because you want to and not because you have to. And perhaps there's different ways of achieving that. But I think success, that's an aspirational word, and sometimes just that word success can drive us to do the things that we need to do, which are designed to get us closer to achieving the success that we're after. And one of the reminders the other day, I was listening to a short interview about Tiger Woods, one of the most amazing sportsmen in the world. What he's achieved in the world of golf has just been quite remarkable. And it's interesting to look at people like that who are so successful, and perhaps most of us will never achieve that level of success. But one of the things to do is to perhaps model ourselves on people that are successful to find out how they've done it. And sometimes that's philosophy. It's about the mindset. And I think one of the things that he shares in this short video is about never giving up.
People have struggles in their lives. They have personal struggles, physical struggles. You've overcome these things. What message might you say to people who are struggling? What encouragement would you give them not to give up, to say that you can possibly overcome these issues?
Never give up. That's a given. You always fight, and it's just giving up's never an equation. Granted, pushing and being competitive has got me into this position, but it's also what got me out. So I've always had a pretty good work ethic throughout my career and throughout my life. I just had to change the work ethic and work on some different things. Focused on that, just keep fighting. That's just part of the deal. We wake up every morning and there's always challenges in front of us, and keep fighting and keep getting through.
So there we have it, Tiger Woods. To never give up is one of the principles that he lives by that helps him be successful. And maybe that's something we can all reflect on for ourselves and say, well, if we never give up, then perhaps we can achieve the level of success that we're after in life and in business and in doing the things that we do. So I just wanted to leave that thought with you today as perhaps a little bit of inspiration, from one of the world's most amazing sportsmen, Tiger Woods, in one of those basic philosophies of his. Never give up. Anyway, have a great day.